How can I make setuptools install a package that's not on PyPI? I've just started working with setuptools and virtualenv. My package requires the latest Python Gearman that is only available from GitHub. The Python Gearman version that's on PyPI is an old one. The GitHub source is setuptools compatible, i.e. has setup.py, etc. Is there a way to make setuptools download and install the new version instead of looking for it on PyPI and installing the old one? FYI, the new Python Gearman is this URL.
The key is to tell easy_install where the package can be downloaded. In this particular case, it can be found at the URL, this URL. However, that link by itself won't work, because easy_install can't tell just by looking at the URL what it's going to get. By changing it to this URL, instead, easy_install will be able to identify the package name and its version. The final step is to add the URL to your package's dependency_links, for example. Now, when your package is being installed, easy_install will discover that there is a Gearman 2.0.0 beta available for download from that URL, and happily pick it over the one on PyPI, if you specify Gearman equals 2.0.0 beta in your dependencies. Normally, the way this sort of thing is done is to include a link on one's PyPI page to the downloadable source. In this case, if the author of the Gearman package had included a link like the above, you'd be already set. Typically, people mark the development version with myproject_dev and then people use a requirement of myproject equals _dev, so that if there isn't a package of Sameva or higher, easy_install will try to check out or download the release. You'll need to specify process dependency links when using pip. Note that dependency links processing has been deprecated and will be removed in a future release.
You can use the pip install protocol plus location at tag #egg equals dependency format to install directly from source using pip. It Mercurial SVN BZR. The following protocols are supported, plus Git, plus SVN, plus HG, plus BZR. Versions. A tag lets you specify a specific version/tag to check out. #egg equals name lets you specify what the project is as a dependency for others. The order must always be at tag #egg equals name. Private repositories. You can also install from private repositories by changing the protocol to SSH, // and adding an appropriate user, git at. You can also install from private repositories with a username, password. GitHub provides the ability to create personal OAuth tokens which can be cycled. Requirements.txt. Requirements.txt is used to specify project dependencies. Requirements.txt. These are not installed automatically with the package and must be installed with the command pip or requirements.txt, including requirements files. Requirements files can include other requirements files. Requirements.docs.txt. Requirements.dev.txt. Requirements.txt. Setup.py. Requirements files can install dependencies specified in setup.py with the following command. Setup.py can also install from repositories using the same syntax as above, but using the dependency _links value as mentioned in this answer. References: this URL, this URL.
As I just had to do the same thing, I found another way to do this as pip's process dependency links are scheduled to be removed in pip 19.0 according to this comment. Pip 18.1 includes the following feature. Allow pip 508 URL requirements to be used as dependencies. From the description of pip 508, the syntax for such URL dependencies looks like. A minimal URL-based lookup pip at this URL. So in your setup.py it would look like. Notice, the link is an archive file and could also be a specific release or branch of a repository as described in this answer. Also, see that answer for working with other repository hosts. To the best of my knowledge, the easiest way to update the dependency is by using pip install I. when installing your package from its directory.
Vanilla setuptools does not support downloading directly from a Git repository, but you can use one of the download source links from that page, like